Hello everyone, my name is Kushi Sate.
I am Sania Mohite.
I am Swati.
We created Microproject of Java on Todolist. Let's see its introduction. A to-do list is a small program where you can write down tasks, see your tasks, and remove them when they are done. What is a to-do list in Java? In Java, to-do list can be made using array list to store tasks. Scan is used to take input from the user. Loop and conditions like a if, switch, do while to make a menu. How it works? Array list store your list of tasks. The user picks options from a menu like add, view, remove, or exist. Loop until the user chosen to exist. What can it do? It do like add a new task, view all tasks, remove a task, and exist the task.
So let's see the program of to-do list in Java. So first we use the packages like java.util, arraylist and java.util.scanner. So we declare two variable like a string type and boolean type, and take the task construction take the constructor of the class with the parameter, and it is use it task constructor use there will description the description which is declared the above this one is also this is only, and then we create a method mark done. In this the done is of the mark, this mark done method is goes to the true, and we override the method is a string to string method. In that we check the uh, if our task is done, then mark as a cross, and our task is not done, then they mark as only square empty brackets.
Here, to-do list is the main class. It creates a list called task to hold all the tasks added. Here, main method starts the program. Here, scanner is used to read the user input, and here running is used a flag to keep the app running until user want to exist. System.out.println, this line shows the title message to the user. Here we use while, a loop that runs as long as user doesn't choose to exist. And this line displays a menu with 5 options to the users like add task, view task, mark task as a done, remove task, and exist. And this line takes the user's choice. Scanner dot next line clears the leftover new line from the input. Based on user's input, it calls the appropriate functions like add task to add a new task, view task to show task list, mark done, mark task as a done, remove task, delete a task, and exit the app if anything else shows invalid choice.
Here we use scanner class for take input from the user. Here first task we added is add a task. Here we first of all add a task using if else. Then in to do list add to task show confirmation, and second one we use mark task done using the if else display all tasks. Here we when we enter here we when we enter a number 2, then this user output shows us mark as task. After entering 2, we tick mark also in this task. And third one is remove task. Here we use if else condition. Enter task number to remove. First show all task and ask which task to make as done. And in last we used up invalid task number, because when number is not in our program, so it is invalid number statement. And last one task is remove task. Here we can, in this we can remove the task using if else condition and invalid number.
So let's see the output of this to-do list. So So when we compile this code, then they show the menu that in that add task, view task, mark task as done, remove task and exist. And they show the enter your choice. And when we enter our choice, so first we enter 1 for adding the task, and here we add task as the right assignment. Then enter. Then again they show the menu of task list, that is add task, view task, mark as done, remove and exit. And again they show enter your choice. Again we press 1, enter 1, and add the task as a check assignment. So task is a add-in. Then they when we enter, then show again the menu, and and enter your choice. Then that time we enter the choice 2 for the viewing the task. And when we enter 2, then task is view in we can see here write assignment and check assignment. And after that again enter, then they again show menu, and show the enter your choice. Then we enter the 3 for mark a task as done. And when we enter 3, they uh, they ask us to enter task number to mark which task will be marked as done. So we enter first for right assignment for task as done. And when we enter, then we enter, then the entered task is marked or not marked. For that we view the task, so for that we enter 2. Then we can see here the cross is there in the right assignment, so task mark is done. And then again when we enter, they show the list of our menu. And we enter the for removing task we enter the 4. And that time they again ask which task will be removed, so we enter first one is also first is a right assignment. And when we enter 1, the task is removed. For the view, the task is removed or not view the task. And when we enter 2, here here we can see the task is removed. First one task is removed there is a right assignment, so here only one is a check assignment. And again enter, then we can see the menu again. And for the existing this to-do list, we enter 5, and our task will be completed and executed. So